So I did a review a few months ago after I first purchased the Asigo system. I am now in week 11 and just wanted to update everybody on how it's going. Stick around to the end of this video to find out if the Asigo system is worth it. Welcome back to Get Free with Annie. This channel is all about finding you ways to make passive income online so that you can live the life that you want to live. If that sounds good to you, then smash that subscribe button and follow my channel to find out the best ways to make money online before everyone else does. Let's get right into this one today. The Asigo system is an e-services drop shipping training course and storefront. So the way it works is that essentially you are finding business owners in a specific niche and connecting them to your e-services dropshipping store that the Asigo system has made for you, and you have private labeled to your own company name and your own branding. The store is all done for you. The fulfillment is all done for you. So once you find a client to purchase your e-services, the rest is basically done for you. Okay, so what are you selling these business owners on your store? The e-service that you are selling is specifically called an AMP, which is created by the software called Amplifier. If you want to know more about it, you can Google Amplifier software, but basically it's a blast of information across the internet on multiple different websites. So it's creating visibility and exposure online for businesses, which in turn brings the businesses more customers. So it's basically a done for you online marketing service or local marketing service. And the business is happy to pay you every month to do this, because why wouldn't they be happy to get more exposure and more customers? So some more differences that I've come across in the last several weeks with this course is that Chris Munch, the creator of this system, teaches the trainings every week live himself. So they're not pre-recorded videos that you watch and you come back to whenever you want. It's every week. He is on the computer live with you, going through with you what you're supposed to be doing. Another huge difference is that Chris is extremely straightforward and down to earth. He's never trying to promise you the moon. He's always just telling you exactly what you need to do and telling you that if you don't do it, you're not going to be successful. So what has been included so far? You always have access to the weekly trainings and the replays of them. You have your own private labeled store and brand to sell your e-services on. You also get 2 amps per month included, but you can buy more if you want to. So you do have to have amps stocked up in order to sell to your clients, or you can buy more amps at any time. So if you get a client, then you can just buy an amp right then. You also get done for you email templates and scripts, so you know exactly what to say to business owners. You get access to the private Facebook group, which is extremely active and helpful. There's homework assignments every week. There's people talking about how it's going. There's questions answered. So how does it work? Chris's team sets up your private labeled store. You pick your own business name. Your e-services dropshipping store is up and running. Chris's software finds business owner leads for you. He gives you email templates to use. You send out email campaigns to those business owners. And when one of the businesses decides to purchase an amp from you, Chris's team does the fulfillment, and you make hundreds to thousands of dollars every month, depending on how much you want to sell an amp for. It is your choice because it is your store. So who is this good for? For people who have been trying to start a lead generation or local marketing business, and you just need a better way to do it, because essentially this is local marketing on steroids. Also, if you just want a legit business that you can be proud of, that's what this is. So who would this not be good for? If you just want to make a whole bunch of money without having to do a ton of work, this would not be good for you, because you really do have to put in some effort every week to try to find those leads. So after 11 weeks, what do I feel like the pros are? As far as I can tell, this software that they're using is one of a kind. So that's really cool, because as far as I know, nobody else is teaching this or using this same kind of technique. And you are also helping business owners get more customers and make more money. So it's an easy sell, and you can really feel good about what you're doing. And probably my favorite pro is that this training and system is all extremely done for you. So I didn't have to set up my store at all. I didn't have to be technical at all. So what are the cons? It's fairly expensive for beginner online marketers. I think it's a crazy good value for what we're getting, how much done for you content there is, and how we're getting one-on-one live trainings every week. He could probably sell this for $10,000 if he wanted to. So To me, it's a very good value, but it's still quite expensive for somebody who really doesn't have much money at all. And you do have to pay monthly for them running your store and letting you use their software and all that. So there's a monthly fee as well. So other testimonials and reviews, as far as I can find, there's not a whole bunch of other student testimonials and reviews yet because it's still a pretty new system and people don't have access to it unless they got in right away when it was available. It's not available all the time. But inside the Facebook group, the rest of the students are really liking it and nobody really has anything bad to say about it. Also, I'm a student and I really have enjoyed it thus far as well. I will say that I have not landed a client yet. I've only been reaching out to business owners for a few weeks now after I got everything set up. And to be honest, I haven't been hitting it as hard as I should. Some of the students in the program have 50 to 100 email campaigns going out to business owners right now, and I only have 3. Hopefully in a couple weeks, I will be doing another updated review telling you that I've got multiple clients signed up and making me money. So what is the cost? It's $3,000 for the initial training to get membership and get access to all the trainings. And then after 30 days, it's $197 a month to continue to be able to have access to the software and to get your 2 amps per month and have them hosting your website. Guarantees and refunds, there is a 90-day money-back guarantee, so that is crazy. Like, you have 3 months to try this system out and decide if you want to continue to do it or not. That's really, really cool. And it's a lot more than most programs' 30-day money-back guarantee. So my final thoughts, this is a great business model. It's a great training. It's amazing software. You're helping businesses get more customers. It's super easy for beginners. You don't have to be tech savvy at all. There's a ton of stuff that's done for you, and there is a ton of potential for high earnings and high paydays. So my final verdict, obviously, I highly recommend this. I don't think it's available to purchase right now, sadly, because Chris does all the weekly trainings live. So you have to buy into it when he's starting like a new cycle of trainings, I think. But if you're lucky to have a chance to buy it when it's available and you have the money for it, I highly recommend it. I have tried other lead generation and local marketing courses, and this is by far the best one. I hope you enjoyed this review, and as soon as the Asigo system is available for purchase, I will link it in my description below.